Hello guys, welcome back to the new video. Yesterday, as we discussed, if you remember, I was saying that this is the area in which there are multiple support, there are multiple demand levels. You see, how can I decipher that? You see, once it comes down, it gives a pushback to the upside, again pushback to the upside, here again pushback, then again a pushback. Now, if you see, after doing this upside, we almost got into the area and got a push higher. Again, we got a little downside breaking yesterday's low, and again, it's getting halted. It's not sure that it will be getting halted, but in fact, as I discussed yesterday's video, I was thinking that this low should be a very good area to buy into. Why so? Because if you have already seen my yesterday's video, I explained that this is the impulse, or this is the leg which is having most of the momentum to the upside. This is the correction. Now after this, if you start from here, let me if you start from here, the upside is very dodgy. It is kind of a correction. It is not something which is giving you a confidence that yes, this is a good momentum to the upside. In fact, the very short upsides or projections to the upside are getting diminished. You see, now we are getting a big pullback, almost back to this trajectory. See, so I was thinking it is just a game of risk reward. If you invest 3 and get 6 or 10, then that is a very good investment. Getting point. So if you open any position, be it long or short, the first thing which should be coming in your mind is where is the stop loss coming? Where should I hide my stop loss so that the probability of gaining is much more higher than the stop loss which is placed. So in this condition, if the prices are moving like this, you see, if the prices are moving just like this, there are very little places to keep the stop loss. If momentum is very high, 20 MA is just rising above, you can say 45 or 60-degree, then you only have the option to buy above the swing high or small pivot, whatever you call, hiding the stop loss just below that. But then if the momentum is getting weaker, if the momentum is getting weaker, then only option is to buy the pullbacks. You see, so while buying the pullbacks, where should we keep the stop loss? The stop loss will be coming just below the previous swing low if you are buying, and previous swing high if you are selling. So just we have already identified this is a good support area, right? In fact, I had my GTT order. GTT is a good till trigger order. You might be knowing it, which is available on Zerodha. It was 150. In fact, I was pretty much sure that it will be getting triggered, but the last low which was found today was 50.8, and it did not trigger. So let's see if it gets triggered tomorrow, then I will be placing the stop loss somewhere close to this area. Then how much will be the stop loss? Around 50, it will be around 50 points, roughly 50 points. Alright, 50 point, and if you target previous high, then it will be close to 300 points. Close to 300 points. So what will be my risk to reward? It will be pretty damn good. It will be close to 6, or maybe more than 6. At least it will be more than 5.5. Risking 1 rupee getting 5 to 6 rupees is a very good probability trade. If you just hit this stop loss, then also it is fine. You're losing 1 rupees, 50 points, that's okay, no problem. But instead, if it gathers momentum from these support areas, it will be hitting 300 points. That is clean sweep. So this is how trading is done. This is how I trade, and rest is up to you guys how you develop your trading systems. So if you see, these are the very, in fact, I will again suggest close to 75 and 50 area. This is very good area to buy going long. But multiple people will be seeing like this, that this is cup and handle, handle and cup and jug and jar. So these are patterns which keep on playing. I do not deny that, but you should only focus on the trades which are giving maximum juice. Maximum juice means risking one or hitting a six. So that's what I'm calling. So this is my analysis for Nifty. Many times I have seen one of my friends ask, "Why do you not analyze Bank Nifty?" Because this is the only thing I trade Nifty. Mostly I trade big lots in Nifty. Very little. I mean, little to no trading is on any other instrument. I have gathered so much confidence in Nifty over the years. I mean, over the decade, that I only trade with Nifty. Previously, I was started trading somewhere around Nifty was 5200 to 5500. Now it is 18,000. So I have been trading this only instrument for my living. You see, if you start trading one or two instruments or one two stocks, good stocks, liquid stocks, then you will be just knowing the character of these movements. So again, you only require a couple of things or instruments to master into. That's what. All right. So let's look into the stocks which we have already discussed. Let's see what they are giving. Sarah Sanitary, it has perfectly moved from our buying area. It is already close to, what is that called? Close to 10%. It's already there. Trim folks, if you guys entered in this range, it has started moving up. In case you have not entered the position, buy above this high and place the stop loss roughly around 5%. Equitas Small Finance Bank, it is moving pretty good. Our buying area will be 81, 81, yes, keeping the stop loss around 77. Today I have selected another stock. Let's see how well it goes. And this is called Max Ventures. I don't know what exactly they do, but the technical analysis say this is in a good shape. In this case, your buy will be coming around 210 or 209.5 above this red candle, placing the stop loss around this blue or this green candle. This blue or this green candle, which will be 190, close to 190. I think the structure which it is forming is pretty good in terms of technical analysis, and if it if it is able to take out this red candle, then I think it will be gathering a momentum which will be just shooting up. If you see the weekly chart as well, if you see the weekly chart, it is having good shape. Buyers are in control. Will be placing the stop loss, of course, and if it gathers good momentum above this red candle, which is today's, then I think we can get a good move. Alright, guys, these are the stocks which I think also have the potential to deliver good returns in short time. So please do keep them out in the watch list. And if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe it so that you are not missing anything which is shared freely here. In case of having any query or concern, please do not forget to post in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Thank you much.